So, have you heard about the new steps for configuring services like Telegram agents?
Oh, you mean the process where clients set up their AI agents?
Yeah, exactly. It's really streamlined
Mm,
now. The initial state is all about configuration required.
right. So the client just purchased the service and needs to configure it?
That's it. They need to provide all the necessary info, like the knowledge base, invitation links, project
Yeah.
name, all that stuff. And the best part is they can modify everything freely at this stage.
So total flexibility in the beginning. That's great.
Absolutely. For the knowledge base, they can upload a .txt file or even paste
Oh,
the
okay.
content directly into a text area.
Makes sense. And the invitation links? Those are for Telegram groups?
Yes. For Telegram services, they insert the group invitation link so the AI
Mm,
agent knows where to go.
got it. And the project name is customizable too?
Exactly. It's usually pre-filled, but they can change it if they want. The
Right.
service name is visible for confirmation, but typically read only.
That's pretty user-friendly. So what happens after they've input all that?
Well, they can save their changes anytime, moving the service state to configuration saved. They
Yeah.
can also get help with uploading the knowledge base or finding the correct invitation links through helpful modals.
Oh, those pop-up guides? That's handy.
Yeah, it really simplifies the process. The system even validates the knowledge base file size and format, making sure it's under 5 MB and a .txt file.
Right. And it checks if the invitation links are valid URLs, right?
Exactly. It ensures everything's properly set before moving on.
Mm,
Then, once they're ready, they can request activation of the service.
so that's when the state changes to activation requested?
Yes. And during this phase, they might have limited ability to modify information.
Okay.
The system is processing their request.
What about the action required step I've heard about?
That's specific to Telegram services. It means the client needs to take an extra step.
Right.
They have to add the AI agent as an administrator of their Telegram group.
Oh, so the agent can function properly within the group?
Exactly. The interface will show them instructions, like the agent's name, and there's a confirm button they need to click after they've added the agent.
Yeah. And this confirmation updates the system?
Yes, once they click confirm, the system notes the date and time and
Mm,
proceeds to verify and finalize the activation.
that's neat. So after that, the service becomes active?
Exactly. The state changes to service active, and the client can access the live console. They can even
Great.
still modify some info, like the knowledge base if needed.
It's nice that they can update things even after activation.
Definitely. The whole process is designed to be
Yeah.
flexible. Oh, and if they run into issues, the system might revert to action required with additional instructions.
So the typical flow is from configuration required to configuration saved, then activation requested, and finally, service active.
That's right. With action required in there if they're using Telegram services,
Got it.
it's a smooth progression to ensure everything is set up correctly.
Sounds like they've made the setup process pretty straightforward.
They really have. It's like they've thought of everything to make it user
Mm,
friendly.
well, that's important, especially for clients who aren't tech savvy.
Absolutely. Providing clear instructions, helpful modals, and validations ensures a seamless experience.
Yeah, and having immediate access to assistance if they get stuck is a big plus.
For sure. It minimizes friction and gets their service up and running quickly.
Exactly. Well, thanks for breaking that down. It's been really insightful.
No problem. Always happy to chat about making tech more accessible.
Yeah, maybe next time we can dive into how this compares with configuring services on other platforms.
That would be great. There are definitely some interesting differences.
Right. Looking forward to it.